This tutorial will teach you how to create an item master in Kloud. For this, we will navigate to the Masters tab, and then go to Item Master to create the datasheet for our new item. Herein, click the New button to start entering details of your new item. The very first blank asks for the item's name. In my case, it's brake cable, so I am filling in the same. Similarly, we have the space to enter the display name, which again I am entering as brake cable. You can keep a different name as well if you need it. The next step is to enter the HSN code for the item, as HSN code is used to identify the GST applicable on different items. Therefore you must fill this part carefully. In the next step, I am putting the item remark. This remark is meant to highlight important specifications of the item. To create a detailed item master, you need to have a stock UOM. To select your unit of measurement, press F2. This will lead you to a UOM master list, wherein you can select the measurement unit at your convenience. Every item has a group, so in the next column, we need to mention the item group our item belongs to. I am selecting General as my option. Now, let's select an item category from the given list. This is important to note that every group we select for our item has a defined category and we need to select the same as per our item. You must note that item category and item group are used to bring similar items under one roof. Also, these can be further utilized to find any specific types of items in the future. Moving further, we need to choose whether the item is a kit or not from the given drop-down list. Here, if you select yes, then your item is supposed to have sub-items, which could also be defined as a type of BOM. In case you select no, then no sub-item will be there and similarly no BOM item list will be produced. Next, we have the sharing cluster where the sharing rights of the item as per company are to be given. Now, we come to an important part of the item master creation, where we need to specify the minimum and maximum quantities of our items for inventory control. This gives us the freedom to control inventory stock between the minimum and maximum quantities. Stepping ahead, I am going to define the item's size. You must note that here, we need to mention the item size's name and its HSN code. Also, I am entering its minimum and maximum quantities. One important thing to remember is that these quantities cannot exceed the ones you have entered in the main quantities tab. As we move on, we need to select the Finish tab and fill in all the mandatory data as per requirement. For security purpose, select the item security with respect to your module. Remember, this step is important, as the security cluster has been specifically designed to maintain the privacy of the item master. In the end, we will go to the Attachments tab and upload the item image for reference. Saving all the above mentioned details will lead us to create our item master successfully.